Welcome back, guys, to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about volume profile, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description where you can find Coach's education platform. Enjoy, guys.
So in your process of fitting your volume profile in a particular range, whether it's an hour, 4 hours a day, or 15 minutes, you're constantly adjusting the width, or what should I say, the visible range, until you find the time frame that allows you to see the most volume across the width of the screen. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, I want to make sure that the area that I'm interested in trading, which currently is probably between here and here, right?
Right. Yeah.
And when I go back in time, that I'm showing all the volume, all the price action necessary in order to draw that profile. I want to make sure that there's nothing else back here in the past that's up here that could be influencing the shape of that profile.
Got it. So then your time frame is kind of the linchpin in determining what volume profile you're going to make a decision on, that you can see that entire set of volume statistics in that one window, whether it's an hour or 2 hours or whatever.
Well, I mean, it's the chart is going to show what it can show.
Sure, yeah, I get that. But you're trying to find the optimum version of that chart, time frame wise.
Yeah, so I can see the most resolution, because that's going to help me. If I can see the most resolution, I can draw these lines with a little bit more accuracy. And even then, they're still off, because and besides, there's no perfect level. The market doesn't work that way. It finds levels, and if you could find a level where it always hits that level right there and never exceeds it, always retreats, that would be an anomaly. There are just too many market participants for that to happen on a consistent basis.
Yeah, because the input in a week-long chart means that one day equals 20%.
Yeah.
But the input in a monthly chart means that one day equals however many trading days, 20. Well, no, yes, it's be 30.
It's very rare that we see things go back that far, or the necessity to have a monthly chart to see the profile. Very rare.
Right.
We'd have to go way down.
Okay, that clarifies a lot, Ernie. Right, my stating in my own feeble words, and then you're affirming that. That helps a lot. Thank you.
Yeah, because all we're interested in is, like I said, the concept of market memory is super strong, and it's real, and it works back as far as, at least from what I've seen, back as far as a decade. In other words, there are market participants that are holding those levels to account, or themselves putting value in those various levels that were established as far as 10 years back. And not just any market participants, but significant market participants, institutions, and others. Why? I don't know what the psychology of them all are, but it's just the truth. It's an empirical truth. You can observe it and you can see it, and it's there. There have been academic papers written about it by some of the most influential mathematicians of humankind that have talked about this. So it's a fact. I mean, well, it's a theory, but it's as close to a fact as you can possibly get. So pay attention to it, that we're trying to determine where the market is likely to behave and how it's likely to behave based on historical evidence. And so when we're building that graph of that historical evidence, we want to be as accurate as we can, but within the limits that we're presented with our tools.
But we only need to be concerned with the structure based on where our current participation can possibly occur, the current price.
Yeah, and what's reasonable, right? I mean, if you expect that on any given day that price could go up 150 and down 150 points, then just be concerned about that area and how far back it goes. If you think it's 200, then use 200. I mean, here the current price is sitting around 59.25, and I'm saying that, well, I'm concerned to up to here, which is only 75 points above, but that's as far up as price has ever gone. And maybe, I don't know, 75 below, down to here. That's what I'm interested in, because right now that seems to be inappropriate for on a day trading basis. I don't expect price to move up or down beyond that. Isn't that reasonable?
Yeah, I see that. That's very. Yeah, that clarifies a lot of things, because in the process of following your thought pattern as you jump from one time frame to another and show these various nodes, the valleys and the long nodes, we were going back and forth between some pretty long time frames and then into some short time frames. That's where I got confused. I wasn't able to follow that track piece by piece, and so I would start thinking too hard, I guess. But anyway, but this discussion really clarifies that.
Okay.
So I appreciate it.
Yeah, so I'm just looking for as much time frame as I can to establish the profile and to mark it up.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button below. If there's any questions that you might have for Coach Ernie, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Thanks, guys.